We are happy to present the Lagoon 620 catamaran in the owner's version, available for sale with exceptional equipment. It's been mostly used privately for family cruises. Interior was refurbished in 2025 and a professional audio sound system was installed. And a bar was built, complete with bar stools, a wine fridge, and an espresso machine, creating a perfect evening atmosphere. Upholstery and mattresses have been replaced with light-colored Alcantara. MFHF radio telephone, satellite phone, NAVEX system and PNG chart plotter system. A large galley located on the port side creates a dedicated workspace for chef. It is fitted with an induction stove, oven, microwave, another wine cooler, dishwasher, washing machine, a double-door refrigerator with an ice maker, a Thermomix, and a large coffee machine. The spacious cockpit has been finished with teakwood and light grey upholstery, entirely renewed in 2025. Guests will enjoy access to an electric barbecue for outdoor cooking, an outdoor beverage cooler, and a large ice maker will quench the thirst on warm days while chilling with mates and wanting more to drink. The yacht interior is divided into 3 guest cabins, 1 crew cabin and the galley. The cabin currently shown is the owner's cabin, the largest from all of them. It features a dedicated work area, direct access to the swim platform, and a large shower cabin. Each cabin is equipped with individual air conditioning and heating controls, as well as a private bathroom. The flybridge. The catamaran's upper deck is another relaxation zone for guests, finished with teakwood and comfortable mattresses. A full set of equipment allows the captain and crew to operate the yacht with ease. 4 large Harken electric winches, an additional charter plotter, and 2 large carbon steering wheels, and numerous other PNG navigation systems. There is also another beverage fridge on the flybridge. Permanent internet access, even offshore, is thanks to the Starlink system. In 2025, a comprehensive solar power system was installed, significantly increasing energy independence, and fishing enthusiasts, professional pen fishing rods. On the lower deck, electrically furling head sails, 4 electric mooring winches, Umara anchor windlass. In addition to solar power, electricity is supplied by 2 generators, a main generator, a smaller galley generator. The yacht's battery bank is charged via the Masterfloat system. Powered by 2 Volvo D3 150 engines, replaced in 2021, current running under 3,000 hours. Fresh water is supplied by a sea recovery automatic water maker, producing over 1 ton of water in just 4 hours. A new Code Zero sail, a spinnaker, and a full set of standard sails. For diving enthusiasts, complete diving equipment on board with a compressor for refilling tanks. Explore the underwater world using our Seabob underwater scooter. Enjoy water sports with surfboards, a wakeboard, and many other different toys. For evening trips to charming ports, there is a tenderboat with a new 60 HP outboard engine. Guests can also use 2 electric bicycles or an electric scooter. Visit our website to see more.